Hey guys, Tony here, and in this video I'm going to take you to Muskegon in Michigan for a tour of my friend Beau's home theater room. Beau is an avid movie buff and he has his own YouTube channel which is about gaming, so if you're interested in checking that out, the links are in the description down below. Now this is one really cool home theater that I've had the privilege of seeing evolve over a period of time on my Discord server. Beau has been posting pictures and updates and asking questions and offering his own advice and feedback to the community, so if you're interested in joining our Discord server, the links are in the description down below. But without any further ado, let's get into Beau's home theater tour. So Beau has been a massive movie buff ever since he remembers seeing the DTS logo before the Jurassic Park film back in 1993, and he was determined that at some point in his life he would end up with a dedicated home theater right in his very own home. So let's break down the room. The dimensions are 17 feet 10 inches long, by 10 foot 10 inches wide and 6 foot 8 inches high. The general construction was completed in 2006, which consisted of covering the cement blocks on two sides and closing off the rest of the room with finished walls and doorways. Beau did most of the work himself with some help from family and friends, which included the framing, electrical, drywall, paint, and some of the really cool features in this room is the dropped acoustic ceiling that Beau made by himself. He took aluminum framing that was intended for a DIY window screen and made up frames to the size he needed. Only 3 of the panels in the ceiling are acoustic panels, which Beau wrapped in black acoustically transparent fabric and then filled the area above the panels with acoustic foam and sound insulation. Earlier this year, Beau decided to add some acoustic panels to his home theater after watching some YouTube videos and was so impressed by the sound improvement that it prompted him to upgrade some other things in his theater like the AVR, carpet and seating. Beau tells me that one of his disappointments is that he waited 14 years to get these panels installed. I'm especially a fan of his carpet, which is subtle and adds another dimension to the room, with it being as dark as possible to make the movie experience all the more immersive. The seating looks fantastic, with a single 3-seater reclining sofa that he purchased from Bob's Furniture. Moving along to the speakers now, Beau has been a fan of Polk audio for many years and has always liked the price for performance that he has gotten from them. For the front, left and right speakers, we have the Polk Audio RTI 10 Tower speakers, which are a 3-way speaker with a sensitivity of 89 decibels from 2.83 volts at 1 meter going into 8 ohms. These are a great looking and performing tower speaker paired by the Polk Audio CSI 5, which produce fantastic vocals for movies and sits directly under the screen on a stand. For the side surrounds, we have the Polk Audio FXI 3, which are a dipole-bipole speaker and can be switched between the 2 modes depending on the application. The rear surrounds are the Polk Audio RTI 38s, which are a bookshelf speaker. These bookshelf speakers look more like in-wall speakers because Beau has cut an opening in the wall and placed them on a shelf covering with acoustically transparent material so that the speakers can't be visible but are flush with the wall. This rounds out the ear-level speakers. So now we turn to the 2 Atmos speakers that Beau has installed, which are the Polk Audio 70 RT in-ceiling speakers. Beau does plan on adding 2 additional height speakers early in the next year. For his LFE, Beau has gone with the heavy-hitting SVS PB1000 ported subwoofer, which has great price for performance that SVS is renowned for. This sub has replaced the old Klipsch sub that he had, as it's rated down to 20 Hz and was in his $500 price range. After hearing this sub in action, Beau is going to stick with SVS for any future purchases and upgrades. This speaker configuration gives Beau a 7.1.2 setup. Moving on to the AV rack, we have a homemade wooden rack which has been painted in black and houses the receiver, which is a Yamaha A3080, which is a 9.2 channel receiver, capable of Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. For physical media playback, we have the Sony BDP S5200, which Beau plans to upgrade soon for his Atmos setup, as well as a Toshiba HD DVD player, which is the HD A30, which is for playing any legacy discs in his collection. Beau also has the Xbox One S, which is mostly used for streaming Dolby Atmos content, as well as the Wii U for the occasional trip down memory lane with older style games. All of the cables in Beau's theatre are terminated with banana plugs. The display is a 1080p Sony VPL HW40ES, which was cutting edge at the time Beau bought it, and is still a great projector to this day. It is projecting onto a 92-inch Silverticket 16:9 fixed frame screen with a 1:1 gain. Beau sits 11 feet from the screen, and he tells me it's the perfect position for him to give the most immersive audio and visual experience. For lighting, Beau has gone with a personal favourite of mine, which is the Govee RGB LED strips, which he has around the base of his seating and also around his screen. Beau uses lighting for presentation of the room when he's not watching a movie or TV show, or when he's relaxing listening to music. Beau also has an extensive range of Blu-rays and DVDs, as well as a collection of memorabilia, wall art and figurines. Beau has created a fantastic place for him to enjoy movies and TV shows, and it was important for Beau to explain to me at the time that I was making this video that he needed to split his budget between his love of home theatre and his passion for gaming. All up, Beau tells me he spent around $10,700 in the construction of this room, which is pretty decent considering how the room looks and feels, and in his own words, he thinks it looks like a room that could have easily cost 2 to 3 times what he spent. So as a little bonus to this tour, I'm going to show you Beau's gaming setup, which consists of a high quality 4K 120Hz refresh rate screen, as well as having all the latest gaming consoles, and also a 5.1 setup consisting of Polk audio speakers. Beau is excited because he knows that his current setup will easily handle the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X, which he has on pre-order, and both are coming very soon. Righto guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Beau's home theatre room. Make sure you smash that like button for Beau and show him some love down in the comment section down below. Personally, I've really enjoyed the experience in getting to know Beau and seeing the evolution of his room on my Discord server. So again, I do have links to my Discord server down in the description below, where you can join in with like-minded home theatre enthusiasts. If you'd like to check out Beau's channel, it's called Terminator Juice. I do have links to that as well down in the description below. But that about wraps it up for this one, guys. Make sure you smash the subscribe button for me so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and you'll catch me in the next video. Bye for now.